This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start Audi A6 Automatic Easy Guide. Park on level ground, press and hold the foot brake, then insert the key or have the smart key inside. Press the engine start button or turn the key, confirm dash lights, and wait for the engine to run smoothly. Release the parking brake, shift into drive, and gently lift your foot off the brake to move. Before you drive, take a quick safety routine that only takes moments, but prevents problems later. Adjust your seat and mirrors for a comfortable reach and clear sight lines. Make sure the parking brake is disengaged and the gear selector reads drive only after the engine is stable. Scan the dashboard for warning lights and confirm fuel is adequate so you avoid surprises once you leave. Troubleshooting a no-start situation can be straightforward with a calm approach. If you hear nothing, check the key fob battery and immobilizer indicator, then test interior lights to assess the 12V battery. Clicking often points to a weak battery or poor terminal contact, so inspect cables and tighten connections. If the starter sounds labored, avoid rapid repeated attempts. Give the system a moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.